Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, we will learn about review text. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Safina Rizza Melasakila. My student number is A320210002. Review text is a text that is intended to review a work, be it films, book, and so on, to find out the quality, advantage, and disadvantage of the work. Objective of this explanation video is to explain in more detail about the review text. Review text, the genre of review text is argumentation or persuasion. Social function of the text is to make a critique or to evaluate an artwork or even for a public audience. Jadi review text adalah sebuah tulisan yang berisikan mengenai evaluasi atau tinjauan dari suatu publikasi. Publikasi ini bisa berbentuk buku, film, musik, ataupun video. Dalam tulisan ini tentu saja berisi mengenai opini dari penulisnya yang bersifat subjektif. The structure of the review text are orientation, evaluation, evaluative summation. For example, there's a review text yang mereview dari buku Laskar Pelangi atau novel ya. Laskar Pelangi is a fictional novel by Andrea Hinata in 2008. This novel was adapted into a movie with the same title. The movie was directed by Riri Riza. Ini termasuk ke dalam bagian introduction atau orientation. Karena pada paragraf pertama ini menuliskan suatu ulasan yang wajib menyisipkan perkenalan yang biasanya terdiri dari nama produk, latar belakang, atau gambaran umum mengenai produknya. In the first paragraph of review text, it is include introduction, which is usually consists of a background product name or an overview of the product. The Laskar Pelangi novel tells a story of 10 elementary school students in Gantong village. Until reading the novel is included in evaluation. On this section, the author is required to provide an assessment of the product, which can contain the unique or quality of the product when the author review a book or film. The author can also provide comparison with dengan karya yang lainnya. Kemudian pada bagian terakhir ini, The Laskar Pelangi novel is very worth reading, especially to fill in spare time. The Laskar Pelangi School was built to be a tourist location. Pada bagian evaluasi summation ini, penulis memberikan summary atau kesimpulan dari produk yang telah diulas. Ini adalah bagian opini terakhir dari penulis terhadap sebuah karya. This is the author's final opinion on a work. Authors can also include criticism or input on the work. Language feature of the text. A. Focus on specific participant. B. Using adjective. C. Using long and complex clauses. D. Using metaphor. There is example of review text, and there are two questions that can be used for self-study. I think enough. That's all for me. I apologize if there are wrong words. See you next time. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.